In the highly polished, heat-treat stabilized ZR zirconium oxide jars, 60 times the hardness of regular steel, highly well-resistant and resistant to acid and solvents. The grinding jars extensively applied in the field of paint, ink, coating, geology, machinery, electrics, construction materials, ceramic, chemical engineering, light industrial, medicine, environmental production, and so on. Each jar set includes grinding jar, jar lids, rubber sealing, cascade. We can customize various types of vacuum jar according to customers' needs and the physical parameters. The composition is 95% zirconium and 5% yttrium. The specific gravity is 6.02. The bath density is 3.7. And hardness mode is 9. Zirconia ball grinding can has the advantage of good well-resistant, high strength, and low wear. It is used for grinding tests of the rare earth materials, which can ensure that the ground raw materials will not be mixed with other impurities. Zirconia ball grinding cans have been widely used in ceramics, refrigerators, machinery, electrics, optics, optical fiber communications, watch, materials, biology, chemistry, and other fields.